In this tutorial, we'll build a premium OTP Verification UI in Jetpack Compose using Material 3. Create a premium OTP verification screen. Design the Material 3 header. Add 6 reusable OTP text fields. Restrict each field to a single digit. Automatically move focus to the next field. Hide the keyboard after entering the last digit. Build a Verify OTP button. Show a loading animation while verifying. Create a resend OTP countdown timer. Reset the timer after resending the OTP. Display a success verification dialog. Final output. Logical tips. Congratulations! You've built a modern OTP verification UI using Material 3 in Jetpack Compose.